DJI Air 3S supports enhanced transmission, which reduces the chance of disconnection and makes flights in complex scenarios safer. The DJI Cellular Dongle 2 is compatible with Nano SIM cards. Install the Nano SIM card that you purchased separately into the dongle. Remove the battery when the aircraft is powered off. Remove the cover. Connect the antenna connectors to the dongle with the DJI logo facing up. Connect the USB-C port on the dongle with the USB-C port within the compartment. Insert the battery into the aircraft, and then turn on the aircraft and the remote controller. Make sure that there is a 4G signal icon shown in the camera view of DJI Fly. Install the cover. Connect the remote controller to Wi-Fi. Enter the camera view of DJI Fly. Tap on the 4G signal icon to turn on enhanced transmission. You can also enter system settings and turn on enhanced transmission in the transmission page.